Hi guys, and welcome back guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey fam, welcome back. Good morning, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. Can I just say I want to give a shout out to I want to give a shout out to Deborah's Delicious Dishes. Woo! Oh, thank you so much. She's been motivating me because she's been like, little sis, she likes to call me little sis. And make sure you check out her channel. And she's been saying to me that I should be a motivational speaker. Okay, I should be a motivational speaker. And I thought to myself, do you know what? How lovely. And she's been saying it not once, not twice, but she's encouraging me in the comments when she's commenting on the videos. So I just want to say thank you that you believe in me, that you think that I can, because you know what, it's time for a redo. It's time for a do-over. Okay, let's all do a do-over. Never say never in this life. One thing I'm learning is that you should never say never, because you really never know. I just want to encourage anybody today that is watching this video. We are multi-talented human beings. Some of us, when it comes to career wise, we have it all mapped out, we have it all planned out. Some of us we don't know yet, we go into different avenues. I think these days people say, yeah, if you're an entrepreneur, then you kind of do a bit of everything, or jack of all trades. And sometimes I find myself to kind of be like a jack of all trades, not really specialized in anything particular. And that's why I name my channel It's Got to Be Done, because whatever I put my hand on it, I just know that the end result has to come. It has to be done. I couldn't really pinpoint one specific thing to name my channel. Am I going into cooking? Am I going into fitness? Am I going into lifestyle? Am I going to unboxing? Am I going to reviews? Am I going to talk about general topics, what's happening, current trending topic, news? Am I going to talk about support or finances? There's so many things on the platform to tap into. I couldn't find a name that would fit really what I'm about, because a lot of the time I find myself just doing multiple things, and I think a lot of us find ourselves in that way. While I've been on this platform, I've discovered that I enjoy being creative. I enjoy creating content. I enjoy, when they say create content, they say write your ideas down, put your vision down, and then execute it. Sometimes when I do my sit down videos, I don't have a topic. I'll just literally flick the camera on and here I go. I'll just talk. Sometimes finding a topic is really difficult for me. I might read a newspaper, or I might watch a show, or I might listen to something, and then that would inspire me. And then oftentimes people have said, oh wow, that's quite talented that you're able to do that. How'd you do that? And I'm like, I don't know. I guess I absorb a lot. But I say this to say it's time for us to have a redo over. What I mean is, don't get stuck into just one box. Don't put yourself in one box. It's great if you specialize in one thing and that's what you do, but within that one thing, diversify yourself in whatever you do. So I just want to encourage anyone who may be thinking about joining the platform. Should I not? You're thinking about a new career change. You're thinking about, you want to start new, you want to start all over, or you are starting all over, or do you know what, you just don't have an idea, but and you're unsure. You have the answers already. And I think for me, when I talk about my journey on this platform, I feel that I do have the answers. I just sometimes don't believe in myself enough, and this is why I say thank you, Deborah's Delicious Dishes. Sometimes you need, I wouldn't even say it's like a need, but it's great that others see your greatness. It's great that somebody else can see your greatness, because sometimes we go through things in life, we go through our ups and our downs, and we're so busy recovering, we're so busy healing, that we don't even realize that the healing is happening. We don't even realize that we are walking in our purpose, because sometimes we may expect this big elaborate change, or we may expect, I don't even know what we're expecting, but we just are expecting something to resemble not what we are used to. But changes is happening, So before I go any further, I just want to say, if you are new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe. If you are returning, I appreciate you guys so much. And thank you for all those that do share me out, and thank you for everybody that are in the comments or interacting with me. I've been saying for some time now that I will be doing lives, and I want to do more. I can only do more if you guys are asking for more, and if you guys are liking the videos, if they're getting recommended, if you guys are in the comments with me, and if you guys are on the same journey with me, then I'll bring out more. But if I'm not receiving a response, then YouTube is kind of like yeah. But I can only do more if you guys are asking for more. I genuinely do have a passion for creating content. I enjoy creating content. I enjoy the journey that I've been on so far. I know that my watch hour, not my watch hours, but my views are low and all this. But for me, it doesn't set me back. If anything, it pushes me to be more resilient and to be more consistent. So with that being said, in terms of me being a motivational speaker, I just said, let's have a redo over. So as I'm entering a certain space in my life, I'm definitely embracing myself in a whole new way. I'm embracing what, if it means I'm a motivational speaker and I'm encouraging anyone and I'm helping somebody, then guess what? I am a motivational speaker. If in a year's time, I'm standing up, speaking, encouraging, supporting, being a coach, being a mentor, then that's where my path will lead me to. But it's definitely something that I want to pursue, and it's definitely something that I'm gonna work on, because at the end of the day, sometimes we do know, it's not sometimes, we do know our purpose, we do know what our greatness, but we're so busy dealing with life that we just push everything back. Let's unleash who we are and just live boldly. I think I said it in one of my videos. I said, let's be kind to ourselves, let's be kind to ourselves, let's be kind to others. And really, this life is not promised tomorrow, so we need to be bold. And I was reminded, because I've had a bit of I've had a bit of like a down week. I've had a bit of a down week, and I was reminded that on my platform, I'm always encouraging, I'm always, saying, don't quit. And I was reminded that I created this channel because I didn't have a specific thing that I wanted to do. But my goal is, when I said I didn't have a specific thing, I enjoy cooking. I find that therapeutic. I enjoy cleaning. I find that therapeutic. Working out for me is a way for me to not only be healthy, but it's a way for me to maintain my wealth and just live a healthier lifestyle. When I share with you guys information, because if there is information to be shared and I think, oh wow, like somebody can benefit from this, then I'll share with you guys. And I also want to develop a relationship, because I want you guys as my audience, I want you guys as my family, because we are on this platform together. I mean, I know there's many people that are subscribed to me that they've been there from day one, when I literally had like less than 10 subscribers, and now I'm growing. And as I'm growing, I really want to redo over. I really want to ensure that I continue the good work that I'm doing on the channel. But with that being said, I will need your support. I will need you guys to like, I will need you guys to share, and I will need you guys to comment. But let's do a redo over. Whatever you're thinking that you may not be great at, you may not be good at, or you're unsure, it's always good to have a conversation with someone. Having a conversation with someone allows you to be open and truthful with yourself. And sometimes, when people tell you things about yourself, it's not by default, it's not by accident, it's not because they just want to gas you up. But just from my persona and how I come across, she's able to say, oh, actually, she's got something here. Let me pour in the good word. So when I say be kind to yourself and be kind to others, pour love into you. Pour love into you. We are really, really busy dealing with life and absorbing all the negativities, but when you start pouring love into you, and when you start embracing you, you will truly start learning that this life is so short and you need to embrace every single day. And with that being said, guys, I don't want to rumble on too much, but we're definitely going to do more sit down videos. We're going to chat more, but for now, I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you want to see more sit down videos, let me know in a comment. Drop a pink heart if you want to see more sit down videos. But for now, with that being said, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.